have your 8 electrons. Then this is number 9. Number 9. This is number 10. Calcium. So, nagat dito. Number 9. Number 10. No? So, as long na meron dito 10 electrons for calcium, Ca. Okay na yan. No? For using this 2n to the second power or 2n squared. So, gawa ito ulit na isang example. For example, yung fourth shell. No? Fourth shell. Gawa tayo ng fourth shell. Ano sa fourth shell? Ilang ba yung kasya dun? So, using again this 2n squared. 4 naman dito. So, the fourth shell, ilan yung maximum na pwede ilagay dun? So, kunahin ulit natin. 4 squared times 2, 32. 32 E minuses electrons ang kasya sa third shell. No? So, for the third shell, for the third shell, 32 electrons pwedeng ilagay dito, no, using 2n squared Bohr's atom model.